How does it feel to be lifted by you? Have you ever considered it? I'm going to tell you how to make your next patient feel less like a sack of potatoes, more like an angel on this episode, One for the Road. Being lifted by another human being is something that we rarely experience. And when it's done correctly, it can engender trust and confidence. And when it's done incorrectly, it can make someone feel like leftover produce being thrown into a dumpster. And let's face it, you can feel it. When you lift a patient and they're not ready or they're not comfortable or trusting, you feel the tension in their body, that desire to grab out. Lifting a comfortable patient, it's better for them, and it's also easier on us. A relaxed body is much easier to lift and move than a tense one. There's a few things that we can do to make a person feel more comfortable. The first one is warn them of the next move. Let them know what's going to happen and talk them through it. Take that moment in time. One analogy that I would use is if you've ever been on an airplane in turbulence, and the pilot did nothing to come over the intercom and let anybody know what was happening up there in the front of the airplane, what do you envision in your mind? You get very uncomfortable, right? You imagine a pilot that just doesn't have time to talk because he's trying to keep that plane in the air. Probably not the case, but that's what you envision. And it's a different feeling than when that pilot comes over the intercom and just says, folks, we're going to experience a little turbulence. It's going to last for about 10 minutes. We're going to try to avoid it by dropping down. They let you know the situation and you feel more comfortable. Another thing that I feel like makes a huge difference is just saying a few magic little words, and that is, we've got you. Saying that right before you make the lift is basically answering the patient's essential question. Are they confident? Are they able to hold me up? Are they going to drop me? By simply saying, we've got you. It tells the patient that I feel comfortable lifting you. Ms. Smith, if you could just put your arms in, you're going to feel yourself lifted up. We're going to do it on 3. We've got you. 1, 2, 3. And that's going to create a patient that's just more comfortable than the one that you just grab and start to pick up. So try those out. I guarantee you, if you talk a patient through the lift and use those magic words, you're going to find that that patient arrives at the end of the lift with more comfort and appreciation. Hey, thank you for watching, and leave us a comment. Let us know what's your best lifting advice. I'd love to hear it. I'm Steve Whitehead, and that is One for the Road.